Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So you've just installed a new OS with X11 instead of Wayland, and your laptop touchpad doesn't seem to be working, specifically tapping and double tapping. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that. There are several options. The first option, and the easiest, if you don't need X11, you can switch to Wayland and your touchpad should work normally. Now if you still need X11, the second option is what we are going to explore. If I go to settings and mouse and touchpad, there's no option for the touchpad, so you can't control it from here. Open your terminal. Now to fix that issue, we first need to check that there's a config file for the touchpad, and just type ls and go to the directory etc/x11/xorg.conf.d/, and here you can see there's a config file for the keyboard, but there's none for the touchpad. So now we are going to create one. Type sudo touch/etc/x11/xorg.conf.d/ and our file name should be 30-touchpad.conf. Press enter. Now to check if our file is listed, let's copy this directory for ease of use, / and enter, and we can see our file has been created. Now we are going to edit this touchpad file and add a few instructions in there. I'm using the text editor Gedit. You can use whichever text editor is available for you. So the command is sudo gedit and then the directory of the file, and here is the file. We are going to add the following instruction, and remember to keep it case sensitive. So type section space quotes input class tab identifier, quote this one, touchpad catch all. Next line, driver space in quotes lib input. The next line, option, and we quote tapping space, then we quote on. Remove the tabbing and type end section. Save the file and restart your PC. Now after rebooting, let me see if this is working. So I'm going to go to this app right here and double tap, and I should open the app correctly. I can double tap and drag, and now it's working. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.